Hello everyone, welcome to Korean Food Channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make potato pancakes. We call it Gamja-Jeon in Korean. It is a variety of Korean style pancake. We only need potato, salt, and oil, that's all. So easy and so delicious. Let's get started. Peel the potatoes and mash it in a grater or a blender. I'm gonna use both tools and make two versions of the potato pancake. First, I'm gonna make it using a grater. Personally, I prefer to use grater because of the good texture. Be careful not to hurt your hands. Place the spoon in the middle of the potato dough to remove the water. Leave it for about 5 minutes and the water is gathering in the spoon. It is potato starch which is left on the spoon and I'm gonna use it together. The dough is finished properly. Put oil on the heated pan and spread the dough gently. It is easy to use coated frying pan, but I mainly use stainless steel frying pan, so it is important to preheat the frying pan to prevent it from sticking. Pan fry both sides until golden brown on a medium-high heat. The potato pancake is completed. Okay, now I'm gonna make it using a blender. Cut the potatoes in small size and put it in a blender with water. When the potatoes are grinded well, put it on the sieve and remove water. Let me see the texture. The potato is smaller and softer than those using grater. Pour water gently and then the starch remains. Mix the starch with the ground potatoes. But there's still plenty of water in the dough, so I put that on the sieve once more. Put oil on the heated pan and spread the dough gently. Pan fry both sides until golden brown on a medium-high heat. It smells really good. The potato pancake is completed. I'm gonna make soy sauce for dipping. Put soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil, and sesame together and mix them. Serve the warm potato pancakes on a plate with a small bowl of soy sauce for dipping. Did you enjoy my recipe? Thank you for watching my videos and see you soon again. Bye!